Listen, you're deleting your history at 3 a.m., hating yourself for another relapse. But it's not the porn, it's the shame cycle that's turning you into a shell of a man. And it's robbing you of real confidence and respect. You wake up promising today will be different. By nightfall, you're back in the loop. Gut-wrenching guilt washes over you like poison. You avoid eye contact in the mirror. You dodge real relationships because you feel unworthy. Your motivation tanks as self-loathing builds. Or worse, you numb out with more distractions. You wonder why you can't break free while everyone else seems strong. This shame isn't just emotional, it's physically draining you, leaving you weak and isolated. I've seen this trap destroy men just like you. I've pulled myself out of it. Here's what nobody tells you. Shame isn't moral failure, it's a dopamine weapon your brain uses against you. In the next 2 minutes, I'm giving you 5 steps to reframe and kill this shame forever, turning vulnerability into unbreakable strength. 1. Acknowledge the shame trigger. It breaks the denial loop that lets shame fester in secret, stopping endless relapses. Shame spirals activate the brain's amygdala, amplifying fear responses like a false alarm. Confronting it head-on reduces cortisol spikes, rewires neural pathways for resilience. Write down the exact trigger moment daily. No excuses, just facts, like boredom at 10 p.m. led to search. Read it aloud to yourself without judgment, like reporting intel. Destroy the note after, symbolize release. Skip this and shame stays hidden, growing stronger like unchecked cancer. Own your triggers or they own you. 2. Log dopamine exposures. It exposes how porn hijacks your reward system, ending the illusion of control. Dopamine floods from quick hits create addiction tolerance, making normal life feel dull. Tracking resets baseline by forcing awareness of the chemical trap. Most men ignore this, chasing highs blindly. You'll map it like a battle plan. Track every exposure in a private journal. Time, duration, and post-feeling score, 1 to 10, guilt level. Review weekly patterns. Identify dopamine spikes tied to stress or boredom. Ignore logging and you'll stay blind to the addiction, relapsing forever. Track the enemy, then crush it. 3. Reframe shame as a trap. It shifts shame from self-hate to a fixable brain glitch, killing emotional paralysis. Psychological reframing, rooted in cognitive behavioral principles, alters shame's narrative, viewing it as a dopamine-seeking behavior, not character flaw. This reduces self-judgment, builds mental toughness. Replace "I'm weak" thoughts with "This is my brain chasing a hit, nothing more." Use daily affirmations like commands. Shame is the trap, not the truth. Most men wallow in guilt. You'll dissect it coldly. Without reframing, shame becomes your identity, blocking all progress. Redefine the fight, win the war. 4. Build identity rituals. It rebuilds eroded self-respect after failures, creating a new masculine core. Identity-based habits outperform willpower alone by tying actions to self-concept. Rituals anchor this, countering shame's erosion of ego. Men avoid this vulnerability talk. You'll embrace it as strength. Start each day with a 5-minute ritual. List 3 non-porn strengths, like "I lifted heavy today." End nights reviewing wins, not losses. Build evidence of respect. Others hide failures. You'll ritualize growth. No rituals mean staying stuck in weak self-view, inviting more shame. Rituals forge the man you respect. 5. Confront male vulnerability. It shatters the taboo of hiding weakness, turning isolation into power. Vulnerability exposure therapy desensitizes fear of judgment. Men suppress this, amplifying shame. Confronting it builds authentic bonds, self-acceptance. Share one vulnerability anonymously, online, or with a trusted brother, like "I struggle with this." Follow up by noting positive outcomes. Normalize it. Avoid confrontation, and vulnerability festers, keeping you alone and ashamed. Face the taboo, claim your strength. These steps aren't a checklist, they're your blueprint to become the man who owns his shadows. No more hiding. You're the one who confronts, rebuilds, and dominates. This is your new identity, unbreakable. If you're done letting shame control you, comment "Shame ends now." Subscribe to the channel. This is where weak men become warriors. Execute to death.